Okay, can you see what this is? The Samsung Note 20 Ultra 5G. Wow! And this one is a 256 gigabyte version in mystic bronze color. So I will unbox this and also compare it to the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. That will be interesting to see. So let's start by looking at this packaging, the box itself. As you can see here, it's a 256 gigabyte version and mystic bronze is the color. Yeah. Nice packaging as usual when it comes to Samsung. They always try to be exactly as good as Apple themselves. So I'm an Apple fan, so I will unbox this and see how good it is compared to my Apple experience. Really cool. So open the box and we have the Apple experience exactly as we should. Really nice. Ooh, awesome. Here is the phone itself, the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. Awesome. I really like the packaging and the design of this. Let's remove the phone itself. It's beautiful. Look at the color. Amazing. So we will check that out later on. So we continue with what's more in the box. Interesting. Let's see what this is. Okay. A nice cover for the charger. Here we have a super fast charging. That's nice. Not even Apple have a super fast charging charger in the box. So this is a nice move by Samsung. Really nice. A super fast charger. I really like that. And here we have some empty packaging. And here we have the USB Type-C cable for the charger. We have the USB Type-C in both ends. That's really, really nice. And we have some headphones. Wired headphones from AKG. Really nice. Apple doesn't have AKG, but Samsung has AKG. I'm not sure that Apple will even have headphones with the iPhone 12 this year, but Samsung continues to deliver wired headphones in the box. That's nice actually. So that's what's in the box. I like what we see here. Like so. That's what's in the box. So now to the main feature, and that's the phone itself. As you can see, I really like the design of this. It's a really high-end design and really good build quality of this one. You can see that from a miles away. Really good build quality. As you can see, at the bottom we have the S Pen, we have the USB Type-C, we have some stereo speakers and microphones and so whatever. But let's remove the plastic so we can see the mystic bronze in whole. Oh, wow, check this out. It's beautiful. This phone is beautiful. Check it out. I really love the design of this one. Check it out. So beautiful. I really love the design of this one. It's so beautiful. Check it out. Black on mystic bronze, almost gold. Some says that this is pink, but as you can see, it's so beautiful. This is a beautiful phone. I really love the design of this one. It's so beautiful and so huge. I really love the huge display. Too bad that Samsung and also Apple does them as tall and not so wide, because when you have it like this, it's awkward to watch movies and so on. But I really love the design of this and the size of the display. And you know how good Samsung is to do displays. They are the best in the world to do displays on mobile phones, and in fact also on TVs and so on. Samsung is the best for displays. But I really love the design of this phone. It's so beautiful. I really like this design and the color of this phone. I mean, look at it. It's so beautiful. I'm amazed of the design. It's so beautiful. And the top here we have the SIM card tray with a micro SD card slot and so on. I really love that with the high-end Samsung phones, that you have the micro SD card slot. It's so important to me. And we have some microphone and so on here. And on the right side of the phone we have the volume rocker and the power button and so on. And on the left side we don't have anything, and I really like that with the latest Samsung phones, that the left side is empty, totally empty. I really love that. So all in all, this is a perfect design of a phone. I really love that. So beautiful design. So that was the unbox. Now we go into a comparison with the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus and this Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So here is a comparison between the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Ultra and the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. And look at this, how beautiful these devices are. But I must say, this color is amazing. Mystic bronze. It's gorgeous. But we can see here a few differences. As you can see, the S Pen is on this side on the Note 20 and on this side on the Note 10 Plus, for example. And we can see that the Note 20 Ultra is taller than the Note 10 Plus, as you can see there, quite a bit taller actually. And they are almost identical in width, I must say. Not what I can feel anyway, a difference. Maybe a bit wider, the Note 20 Ultra. And as we can see here, it looks like they are about the same in thickness. And one other huge difference is the huge camera module on the back on the Note 20 Ultra, as you can see. Really huge compared to the Note 10 Plus. And let's turn the Note 20 Ultra on for the first time. Like so. And as you can see, a really beautiful display. Awesome looking display, actually. So beautiful. And one more difference, as you can see here, is that the buttons is once again on the right side on the Note 20 Ultra, and on the Note 10 Plus they are on the left side. So it looks like Samsung can't decide which side is the best to have the buttons, as you can see. I think that's maybe a bit silly. Why change the side for the buttons every year? I don't get it, but maybe they has to for some reason. I don't know. But as you can see, the display on the Note 20 Ultra is gorgeous, but the display on the Note 10 Plus is also gorgeous. I really love Samsung displays on their Galaxy devices, and actually on their TVs too. They are gorgeous there too. So, but as you can see, the displays and also the Note 20 Ultra is lighter in the hand. It feels like that anyway. And I actually like that it's now aluminum or stainless steel or what it is on the back instead of glass. And I think that's the reason why the Note 20 Ultra is a bit lighter in the hand. I think so. Even with a huge camera module, the Note 20 Ultra is lighter in the hand. Quite much lighter, I think. And I think it's because the glass backside on the Note 10 Plus and the aluminum or stainless steel or whatever on the backside of the Note 20 Ultra. Really nice. I like that. But that was a short comparison between the phones. Look at the display, it's gorgeous. Once again, the front is identical in design of both phones, and this is of course larger, a bit larger than the Note 10 Plus. All in all, I think the Note 20 Ultra is a step up of the Note 10 Plus actually. I like the design more, I like it's lighter in weight, and I like that the display is even bigger on the Note 20 Ultra. So all in all, I think this phone is actually a step up of this. But another thing, is it worth even more money for the Note 20 Ultra compared to the Note 10 Plus? I mean, if the rumors are right for the iPhone 12 Pro Max, it will cost around $1,100 US, but this Note 20 Ultra is $1,300 US. So is there a reason for this phone to be so expensive? I'm not sure about that actually. Okay, that was this video. Bye.